our own electronics.
Well, I don't get what's happening, but like, bro, something is happening. Guys, I hope this thing's working. Is this thing working? I don't know if this thing is working or not. Yeah. Do you see me? Oh, I get it. It's just dark in here. Yeah, I'm gonna maybe
Turn the light on?
Sure, yeah. Okay, people.
We can't hear you.
Well, back to that. Hello, people, and welcome. No, I took that from Corey Extension. I'm a big fan. Whoever looks at me, gotta look at Corey Extension. Oh, y'all don't look. Y'all, first like and subscribe to Corey Extension.
Why do you keep looking at me?
I don't know. You just seem suspicious. Last time we did the piece, I feel like you're gonna do something now. You stay there. You stay there. Mojang. I think I might have fans, Mojang. I might. Probably not. But I might have fans waiting to see me. Okay. I don't know what to do. Maybe a single player game today?
What?
Who knows? Might be good. Let's create a new world. What should we call it? Survival, yeah, okay. Teen for teen. No, I'm gonna call it fans. Yeah, the FANS. Fan, survival, more world, offense, loud chains on, chest on, 36 on, take default, super fat, large biomes, amplified, buffet, default. Okay, seed will be done creating world. Let's get into this thing right now, right here. We've got to start this. This world is for you, fans. I hope we see something interesting in this normal world that I just created. You see, I'm not using nothing. This is a normal world, okay, guys? If you don't like normal worlds, talk to the hand. Bro, talk to the hand if you don't like normal worlds. Just talk to the hand. Okay, so you see, this thing is almost fully generated. Probably our next video will be on Hello Neighbor or something. Starting. If you guys don't like Hello Neighbor, then don't watch. Like Hello Neighbor, I'm looking at how much time, guys. Oh, it's been already like 3 minutes. We haven't even started yet. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, well. Oh, shit. There's no glitching going on. Okay, guys, we gotta. Oh, we already get 4 torches. Nice. Torches. Torches are always good. This is how I usually start Minecraft. Before looking at anything, I try my best to get torches and wood. My game's lagging like crazy. My game. Shit. Guys, nice, a lot of starting resources. All these 11 planks. I hope when we keep on going, we get to make something new. Make something majestic, maybe a majestic farm or something. No, not a majestic farm. What am I talking about? Salmon.
Wait, hold up.
I got salmon. Got salmon, literally, I got salmon.
That video did something bad for Big Brother in this game. So how Big Brother did something bad in the game.
Oh yeah.
Is your big brother or big sister?
Big brother.
Yeah, big sister.
Chess might be a good resource.
Big brother.
I should use to get some more. If we get a house in the first day, that will be. I'm trying to set a record.
Let me see your comment.
No, I'm not gonna set a record. I can't set it.
I want to see your comment. Oh. That's not like the one in the movie.
Yo,
There's someone outside.
That's not like the one in the movie. Wait, what am I supposed to do on this side?
and I'm recording this in my living room, and my brother and my cousin are both right here.
Bro, what is your role look like?
Yo, if y'all don't like the way I play this game and how I try to make a lot of wood first,
Oh.
sorry guys, but that's just how I do things.
I guess it's just like your character. It's a boy.
Like usual, you always need 2 crafting
I
tables.
think if your character is a girl, it'll be a girl. If like yours is a boy, it'll be a boy.
I might want to start a house. I can only make like wooden things, so just go ahead and look for a plain place. Start a house. Oh, cool. I'm gonna make like maybe make it a multiplayer server.
Huh?
Of course I'm talking. Duh. Why would I?
Don't try and act cool, boy.
Y'all, you're the one who's acting cool right now.
I don't need to act like you two.
Oh, he get eaten.
Ow!
So you do all day. Okay, waiting for this thing to. Okay, guys. Well, oh, okay. Y'all tell me if you like my skin.
Sandwich, just putting it to their mouth.
Yep, I definitely saw coal here, which is right here now. Okay, wrong thing. Y'all, I'm gonna get coal wasted someday. Someday today, I'm gonna get coal wasted. Ain't gonna be good. Some people might say too much coal is bad. It might fill up your inventory, but no. It's fine when you have a lot of sticks to make a lot of torches. Maybe to protect your house from mobs spawning in there. If y'all don't like mob attacks, hope you joined us. Okay. Well, guys, we've almost collected almost all the coal here already. I thought I was gonna get coal wasted. Guys, the inventory is not full. Y'all. Whoever told you can get too much coal is lying to you. Literally. Yep, I made Stone Age. I knew I was gonna make Stone Age. I thought Stone Age is only when you get like a stone weapon or something, or stone tool. I thought that was when you could. I haven't played this game in so long. Like I played this game lastly like 2 minutes ago. Oh my god.
That's a fake laugh.
Oh, y'all fake that. Y'all fake. Y'all gonna tell me I'm fake when I see you. I see you. You guys are telling me that was a fake laugh. We all just look at you like, what the frick? Oof.
You were what?
Oof. Y'all shut up. Y'all know what would be good by playing music in the background? You see, because His Majesty does not like you.
But I like myself.
But I'm His Majesty.
You!
Actually, I'm Your Majesty, to be more precise.
Shut up or I will blast the song. Well, okay,
That'd be
you're
good.
Heine.
But I think songs are cool.
Well, you're Heine. What would you like?
I would like your ass done.
What?
On a silver plate. This isn't a kid's channel. Y'all kids who are watching this, y'all, you can just.
You're a kid.
Y'all.
Younger than half the kids watching that.
I'm
That
10
actually
years
does.
old. I'm 10 years old. I'm not a kid anymore. Y'all, that's
It's
what,
true.
that's probably what they should be
That's
like in
so
Frozen,
wrong.
y'all.
I'm being honest.
Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you for a second. Like, y'all gonna like and subscribe to this channel. Nah, I need that or else this time. Yup.
Doodly.
Doodly doubly doubly do. No. Y'all subscribe to this channel right now. Y'all do that right now. Do it. Now, I see you. Okay, well, anyways, so guys, it's been 11 minutes so far. We're gonna make our house right here,
Oh my lord.
close to that
I'm
coal.
about to go feed or whatever her name is for us.
Who?
Morenula, something like that. What? I'm gonna go.
Lorena.
The bully?
Yeah, what? Is it she and yours too?
Yes. She's annoying. She's ugly too. What did you say? Huh? I don't know what she's supposed to say. She's ugly. Are you talking? My bad. My bad. I was really stupid. Just now. Put that away. You're in your fourth year? No, not yet. I'm sure you will.
Third?
Third? No.
What time is it? Okay, it's
I'm
steak.
not third year. I'm in second year.
Trying to lie, yeah. Oh. Oh.
What game are you guys playing?
I'm playing the game. Wouldn't you like to know?
Yes, it would.
Well, I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh my god. Y'all, this thing says I can get a smoker. None of you kids should ever smoke. Smoking is bad for the real living. I'm joking. That's just stupid saying that. Like, if I'm making myself look stupid, y'all gotta tell me. Okay.
You're making yourself look stupid.
Shut up.
You asked.
No, I did not. You liar.
We watch the video later.
Flip, flip, flip.
I'm recording. I'm locking up.
Yo, I did not open that door. And my thing's on single player. See, no, I'm not lying. If something weird happens, okay? I can show you my thing's not on land. Nope, not on land. Oh no. Well, I'll just keep that there.
So, that's her.
This is
Put on speaker. Okay, so one.
no one.
More to go. I'm really good at this. I can help you. Please let me do this. I'm really good at it.
That's what she said.
This is like, I'm really good at changing them. Please.
Watch and tell you what other people are about it. This is so great. Is that it?
Relax.